Hello guys, today I'm just doing a simple video just to show the update of my Tesla coil. This is my Tesla coil here, and I put the capacitor bango inside this box and the spark gap also inside here. Here you can see the capacitor. It's connected by this cable, and here's a spark gap. You can see that small gap. So this is my spark gap and capacitor bank, and I have made an oscillator for this with a cooling fan and the input which will go to the battery. So this is my simple update, and it could show much more bigger arcs now. I have used a top load which is made up of aluminum foil. Here you can see it's just an aluminum foil rolled into a ball. So I'll show you some of its arcs. So my Tesla coil is ready for power up. Close that. The spark is too bright, so you might not be able to see the arc coming from here. So I close this box. Okay, and I put my curtain so that you can see that properly. Okay, let's start. Just going to connect my coil. Connection is done. Okay, now my spark is working. Bulb. It's too bright, so the camera may be flickering. And here it is.